So I've been keeping the printer busy. I went and made myself strawberry dragons in some different colors. I got all sorts of stuff in here, chip clips, cat butt cell phone holders, loading blocks. And right now I'm doing butterflies. And it'll take 25 minutes, and I'm using what they call vortex color. It's a silk PLA multicolor, and it's turning out these things, these ones, as opposed to somewhere in here. They're very similar. There it is. There, you can see the difference. This one here is more on one side, and this one is just laid out all over.